Let's come back to Yosef Atzadik. The Mohorosh said that we should never make one child different than the other child. Look what happened to Yosef. Now, Yosef, the brothers, was jealous on him. His father told him, go see what they're doing. He went, keep it out there. And though he knew that they're going to kill him, he knows what they're going to do. And sure enough, he came, and Shimon Levi says, he is the Balachanoim, the dreamer. Let's kill him. Let's kill him. It started off, Kine, he was jealous on him. So he had a dream. So what? Martin Luther King had also a dream. I had a dream. He had a dream. No? He made his dream. So what? Was he jealous of him? No. You see, he was jealous of him. He was jealous already. Why his father bought him a special coat? From jealousy came sinning, hateness, to hate him. As a hateness, they decide they have to kill him. Reuben said, why that is our brother. The Midrash says, as they saw him coming, they was chasing wild dogs. A shepherd has dogs, wild dogs, after Yosef. He was a boy for 17 years and he was going. Reuben wanted to save him. He said, why we should kill him? So well, put him in the pit, and then there was what kind of pit? There wasn't water there was snakes and scorpions and snakes, and are throwing on somebody. But the Torah says that Reuben had in mind to throw him, and to let him throw him. At night he will come and bring him back to his father. But you see what jealousy brings hateness, and hateness brings, you should kill him. He's safe. We all do the same thing. This is the problem that's going on in the world. Sheker. Sheker is these three letters. Jealousy, hateness, killer. Or doing riches. On this point, we have to work on ourselves. Now we are still a little kid, so we need the parents should guide us to know how to bring up children. The problem is, when you buy a car, or you buy a washing machine, or a dryer, you have instruction how to raise the children. Most parents are young schnoops, just got married, 20, 22, 23, they couldn't handle themselves. One anymore, they should know how to raise the children. So they're doing the same mistakes what our parents did. Here comes in the teacher. He comes in, the Rebbe, class. He's responsible. He has the children most of the day. Most schools, the Rebbe sees more of the children than the parents. Father goes away to work 6 o'clock in the morning. And when he comes back, already the children are sleeping. Shabbos, especially winter, the Shabbos is so short. We have our Rebbe, Abelamed. He has the children. He has the responsibility more than everybody. Therefore, to be a Melamed, to be a Rebbe, this is one of the great, great things. Chazal says, it's written in the Apostle, מסכים כזוהר רקיע, ומצדיק הרבים ככוכב. The stars, there are billion and billion stars, but the eye cannot see. Go on a telescope, big telescope, you can see not million, billions of stars. Maybe a person could not even, no such a thing to count stars. So the Mohorosh says that a Melamed is like the stars. I explained why. Why a Melamed is like the stars. Only how you could not count the stars, Impossible. Now it's impossible to explain how the schar, award from a malamed. So one of the great things malamed. Why? I have in my class 25. I'm supposed to have 25. I have 20, 32, 33, and I know how to deal with each child. I build them up. I will never destroy a child. If he makes a form, I will teach him. You know, to make form for another one. I'm a good Rebbe. I have always. I will take the weakest children. Now, I don't know if you know principle. Principle is a very hard job. What's the hard job of principle? Principle is above the malamed, and he has to be on top of the malamed. He has to see if the malamed is doing this a good job. No, a malamed comes in, and this year he will be the Rebbe or teacher. How you know if it's a good malamed or not? What's the sinner? No, that's a sinner. Sign. What's a sign that's a good malamed? What do you say? I'm a principal, I'm coming in a class. How will I know if it's a good malamed? Kids will sit quiet because they're afraid of the Miibnael, the principal. So how could you know if it's a good malamed, if it's doing a good work? No? What do you say? He tests, he has 25 kids, 30 kids. He takes the biggest kid and he asks him, start to say. You don't know nothing. He start to cry, it's a shame. Another weak kid. So the malamed, he wouldn't tell in front of the child, you never say bad on the malamed in front of the teacher, in front of this is our mistake from parents. They will always give right for the children in front of the teacher, you kill your child. This child will never get the more from the teacher, from the Rebbe. Why? Since my parents yells on the I could have something to say it privately. My children shouldn't say. The children have to know the Rebbe is right. Once you give for your children right, not for the malamed, you're finished. They will jump on your head and you're finished. He takes them out, principal. What's that? What's that? Why didn't you know anything? You didn't do everything the whole week. Today's Friday. What do you do? So he's very embarrassed. One will answer, Mr. Principal, why don't you ask? They will start to hold the name the best children. They know the work like this. I work like this. I don't care whole week to put in them the Chumash, the Mishnah, the Mohorosh. I don't know how they know it, blah, blah, blah. The principal starts to learn. I'm here at this yeshiva, this school, when they started alphabet, from the first grade, the kindergarten. I know every child. Yeah, I know who has a good smart head, and he picks up the learning. I wanted to know what did you do with the weakest child. I know what I'm doing. I specially tested the weak child. I wanted to know how he knows the learning. I see you didn't do anything. You're not good. He knows. He knew before, a class before. You're in the 6th grade. He knew by the 5th grade, by the 4th grade, by the 3rd grade. As he was a child, he knew the alphabet before all the children.